Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to do another unboxing, and it will be the newest Samsung Galaxy A51. We have a clean white box here. We see that we have crushed black color and the version with 128 gigabytes. Here we have the usual paperwork. The phone itself, but let's put it to the side. Let's look at the charging brick and the cables on the phone. We have standard earphones on the A51, just like the regular ones we're gonna find in any Samsung box, with no ear tips. Also, let's look at the cable. It's a standard USB cable to Type-C. So we don't have Type-C on both sides, we have a Type-A and Type-C. As we see, for the charging brick, we have an adaptive fast charging brick. You can pause it here and read if you want. And now for the phone itself. We see that we have a prism color, just like the color that we have on the A30s. Different from A30s, this looks more premium with the quad cameras and the flashlight here, because it gives the phone that vibe of the new upcoming S20. On the right side, we see that we have the buttons, the power button and the volume buttons, while on the left side we see that we have the SIM tray. Now let's power up the device and see. Now on the bottom of the phone we have the headphone jack, the Type-C port and the speaker of the phone. Now let's wait until the phone turns on and scroll through the menu a little bit. Now just look at this camera here, the selfie camera. We have looks like a little dot here, the hole punch camera. It looks very good on the AMOLED display of the A51, and I believe that with the night mode being turned on, we are not going to be able to see it with an open eye. Thank you guys for watching until the end of the video, and I will see you on the next one.